Welcome to Tyco Friday. Thank God it's Tyco Friday. TGITF. Today we got ourselves a 935 Porsche on an HP7 chassis. Pretty cool looking Porsche. Got Porsche on the sides. Orange yellow stripe going up the hood. Porsche on the back spoiler. Yeah, pretty cool. And like I said, it's on an HP7 chassis, so yeah, I'll bring it around here and we'll check the bad boy out. Let's put this bad boy on the dyno and see how she does. Oh, she's lighted. Did not know she was lighted. Let's look this bad boy up in the book while it's getting warmed up. Yeah, she is getting warmed up. Alrighty. Yeah. As you can see, the rear end is backwards on an HP7. Clean the body here for you. Let's see how she does with the body back on her. There we go. That's not bad at all. Not bad at all for a HP7. Get 80 on it. 85. Yes, sir. Not too bad. Let's take it over to the track and we'll take it for a test drive. All right. Let's see how she runs. Oh yeah, like an HP7. Yeah, she runs real nice. Yeah, if you're gonna race this car right here, you would need to do the magnet upgrade. The magnets aren't very strong in it, right there. Perfect example right there. Get you a magnet upgrade for it. She runs good. There she is, folks. Porsche on the side, Porsche on the back, spoiler. Real nice and shiny. 935. Hope you guys liked it. Today is Friday. I'm either going to do a 22 Dodge Charger funny car, or I can't get it off. 68 Pontiac Firebird. Thunderjet. Pontiac. It's a pretty cool car. My uncle had a Le Mans 68, 69. I think it was a 68. I don't know. It was green. I remember he did body work and a paint job on it in my grandfather's garage. My grandfather lived right next door to us. Grandma and grandpa, yeah, I used to spend a lot of time over there. Go up to his garage and watch him working on cars. Yeah. You get mostly Mustangs and Volkswagen Beetles. Yeah. Do body work, paint them, sell them. Hope you guys like this car. Another Porsche in the book. Another Tyco Tuesday on Tuesday. Another Thank God It's Tyco Friday today. And tonight we'll be building another pit kit. And yeah, guys, come in, checked out the show, have a couple cold snacks. Yeah, bring some along. I got some in the fridge over here. Yes, sir. Cold snacks and pit kits. And yeah, I will see you tonight then. Remember, check this video out up here. If you ain't seen it, check it out. Yeah, Rusty Wallace. Check him out. Later.